So today I'll be showing you how to share an Instagram reel to Snapchat stories. So let's go to Reels on Instagram, and then you can find a specific reel. Now, depending on what you're looking for exactly, some users allow their Instagram reels to get downloaded. So let's say you go to someone's profile, like let's go to a specific profile like this one, and then find one of their reels. Let's search again. Let's go to their profile and find one of the reels here. So let's say it's this reel. Okay, so let's check if this user allows us to download. So tap on the share icon here, and then from the menu, if they allow you to download, you will see the download option. So you can tap on that, and that's going to download that Instagram reel to your gallery. So once it's finished downloading, you can now exit out of here and then go to Snapchat. And on Snapchat, let's go and tap on this icon to upload a video. Let's go to camera roll, and here you will see the camera roll, and you can tap on it, and that's going to open that particular video we just downloaded from Instagram. Of course, it's going to have the username of the original poster on Instagram, and you can clearly see that this video has been taken out of Instagram together with the username of the original owner of the video. So now the next thing you want to do is select story, and this is going to load it up in Snapchat stories. And then let's go and tap on, let's go to story, beg your pardon. And now it's been posted to our Snapchat stories. So now if we go into our Snapchat stories, you can see we have that video posted. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.